This is the book of Obadiah, verse 1. The vision of Obadiah. Thus saith the Lord power Yahweh concerning Edom. We have heard a rumor from the Lord Yahweh. An ambassador is sent among the heathen. Arise ye, and let us rise up against her in battle. Verse 2. Behold, I have made thee small among the heathen. Thou art greatly despised. Brakata Yahweh, Brakata Yahweh Shai, Brakata Yahweh, Brakata Yahweh Shai. Yahweh is the name who the world ignorantly calls God, and Yahweh Shai is the Son who the world ignorantly calls Jesus Christ. First and foremost, I want to give all praises and all glory to Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Hashem Rakah Kwadash. Double honors to the apostles and elders of Great Millstone who rule well and taught us this truth. They are the true teachers for the nation of Israel on earth today. And citation to the Akim out there pushing this truth and sincerity throughout the four corners of the earth and risking their life for Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shai's sake. Our brother Samak from the GMS Miami camp. And yes, the reason why I brought out the book of Obadiah, verse 1 through 2, is I came across this article today, hot off the press, where it's being reported how the United Nations at the Human Rights Council, they're going to have a vote next week to prosecute the JJs, all right, and these Edomites, all right, from America, the military, their military, all right, around the world, okay? And the reason why this is happening because, all right, the whole world sees that these JJs, all right, and of course America, Babylon the Great, they have been doing everything regarding violating human rights, all right, killing women and children, all right, by the thousands, and the whole world sees it, and it's at the point, hey, the United Nations is being used to come against them. So we're here, man, all right. We're here. We are here. All right. The Lord is setting these devils up to be judged, man. To be taken down. Okay. All these nations are coming against these Edomites. More specifically, those that dwell in the statehood of the JJs and those that dwell here in America, Babylon the Great. All right. And this is from Fox News. Now, of course, all right, Fox News is pro JJ. In fact, it's controlled by the JJs. Rupert Murdoch, he's a JJ, all right? And of course, they're going to write this article and saying this is wrong, this is anti-Semi, whatever. The point is, all right, the whole world is coming against these Edomites. And this is prophecy speaking, okay? All right, this is prophecy speaking, which goes to show you we're in the end time. So the United Nations Human Rights Council is attempting an end run around the Trump administration's well-founded criticism. An incendiary draft resolution set for a vote next week, right, there's going to be a vote on this, promises to criminalize JJs and American Edomite military actions and their commanders-in-chief. Look at that. If adopted, the council plans to launch prosecutions targeting the JJs and American Edomites in national and international courts. Yeah, man, we're here. Okay? Thou art greatly despised. Okay? All right? The prophecy is speaking, man. All right? The book of Obadiah, all right, is speaking. Okay? Now, according to Fox, they're saying leading the charge is a group of Islamist states, the Organization of Islamic Cooperation led by Pakistan, all right, and countries that count on America's largest like Jordan and Kuwait, right? So Jordan and Kuwait, hosts U.S. military troops there, all right? U.S. military troops constantly train in Jordan and Kuwait, and they're, okay, backing this draft resolution, all right? So, yeah, this is powerful stuff right here. Also pushing the anti-American outcome while plague acting as an American peace partner is Council Member Qatar. Right. Ooh, that reminded me of continuing on, jumping down to Obadiah. I'll start at 6 with the points of 7. How are the things of Esau searched out? How is hidden things sought up? Right, because it's being revealed. Everything's being revealed. Okay, according to the Lord's time frame. All right, and mainly he's using us, the prophets. All right, to bring out this devil's deeds. All right, and letting him know that he's going to be judged, and it's happening. Okay, the whole world, all right, is walking to the tune of prophecy. And the whole world is looking at these Edomites, mainly from the statehood of the JJs and America, Babylon the Great, as the enemy, as the problem, as the cancer of the earth. It's beautiful. 7. But here's the point. All the men of thy confederacy, right, like Qatar, have brought thee even to the border. The men that were at peace with thee have deceived thee and prevailed against thee. They that eat thy bread have laid a wound under thee, and there is none understanding. Bro, if that verse right there, all right, doesn't correlate with this sentence right here, then I don't know what does, man. All right, this is why we use the news media and filter it through the scriptures. You're clearly seeing Obadiah verse 1 through 7 playing out right before your eyes. All right, so we here, man. Okay. These Edomites are being exposed. All right, no one's listening to their narrative anymore. Okay, this whole anti-Semi thing is not working anymore, and that's how we know major wars are happening. Okay, major wars is happening. All right. Let's get this one. Isaiah chapter 33 verse 1. Woe to thee that spoilest, and thou was not spoiled. Right. Okay. Good example is America, Babylon the Great, using the military, spoiling all these countries. All right. And dealest treacherously. Right. We're talking about killing women and children. Remember what General Mark Milley said about the kids that got killed in Afghanistan? General Mark Milley, righteous. It was a righteous kill. Remember that? Yep, I remember this. Afghanistan drone strike, the Pentagon previously described as righteous, killed as many as 10 civilians, officials say. U.S. drone strike launched in Afghanistan late last month killed as many as 10 civilians and not an ISIS-K terrorist as the U.S. military previously reported. The Pentagon acknowledged Friday. General Frank McKenzie, excuse me, it wasn't General Mark Milley. No, it was General Mark Milley. It was General Mark Milley. Yeah, I was right. I remember you fucking fag. General Mark Milley. I remember your faggot ass fucking woke, all right, mouth. Anyway, hopefully you don't take this down. General Frank, the U.S. military intelligence agency hate me. I know they do. General Frank McKenzie, the commander of the U.S. Central Command, called the strike a tragic mistake during a news conference Friday afternoon. An investigation by Central Command determined that the August 29th strike in Kabul was Joint Chief of Chairman General Mark Milley, previously described as a righteous kill, fag, okay, killed an innocent aid worker, identified by friends and colleagues as Zamiri Ahmadi, and as many as 9 of his family members, including up to 7 children. There you go. Okay? All right? And the whole world's seeing it. That's why now they got the UN, all right, Human Rights Council, all right, voting next week to start prosecuting military personnel from the JJs and from America, Babylon the Great. Prophecy speaking. Woo! Yep. Okay? Okay, you dealt treacherously. You thought you could go on and just kill indiscriminately, and you thought you could not be held accountable. Guess what? The Lord is making it that you're held accountable. And that's how we know World War III is coming. It's coming, man. It's coming. We're just waiting for the chip, the RFID chip. So stop dragging your fucking knuckles and push the chip already, you fucks. Continuing on. And they dealt not treacherously with thee. When thou shalt cease to spoil, thou shalt be spoiled. And when thou shalt make an end to deal treacherously, they shall deal treacherously with thee. And that's what's about to happen, man. All right, women and children in the from the JJs and from America, they're gonna feel the wrath, just like these Arabs and the rest of these other nations have been feeling the wrath. Okay, all right, and that's why it says in hey, we're just reporting here. You just what it is that you fucking heathens, you just hate that we tell you the truth. All right, you hate us here at Great Millstone because we give it to you raw and uncut, and we throw this news media right back in your face. All right, and use the scriptures to condemn you. All right, okay, and you hate it. All right, you hate it, but it is all good. It's all good. All right, you're still going to be judged. Second Esdras chapter 16, verse 1. Woe be unto thee, Babylon and Asia. Woe be unto thee, Egypt and Syria. Right. Okay. So, yeah, death and destruction is coming. 2. Gird up yourselves with clasps of sack and hair. Bewail your children and be sorry, for your destruction is at hand. Right. And it's coming, man. All right. This is all being set up. I mean, come on, man. All right. You can't make this stuff up. All right. Since when do you see the United Nations Human Rights Council moving against America and them JJs, military personnel? Okay. Since when do you see that? You know. Now we'll see if this vote passes, but it's looking like it is. All the killings. I mean, there's a video right now that's going viral on social media. Them JJs is just killing a whole bunch of people that were praying. Let me see if they got the article. Palestinians killed while praying. They were just praying. They got smoked. You know? Let's see. See if they got it, because I saw. Yeah, Israel attacks 10 camps, aid kitchen in central Gaza, killing 13. Yep. But there was another one that it went viral all social media that they were killing they were killing people that were praying. Look at that. 50,000 Palestinians have been killed in Gaza. This is how it happened day by day. Damn. Hey, man, they're getting judged. Hey, but that's their judgment too. And we're not siding with the Palestinians. We could give a damn. But the point is that the Lord is setting it up that this World War III is coming and there's no stopping it. We're in the beginning stage of it. Technically, look what's going on. I really don't like saying World War III is coming. I like saying that we're in the beginning of stage of it because really, this is war. And it's only going to get bigger. And wait till this kicks off. Israel, Iran. Okay? Will Israel strike Iran? Right. That's all you're seeing. Okay? That's all you're seeing. Israel arrests suspected Iranian spies. World War III. Iran confirms it will strike U.S. and Israel. Reveals new weapons. Top general says. Look at that. So it's going to happen. Warning to Trump and the JJs. All right? Because we're the Israelites. Iran flaunts its underground missile city with ballistic weapons. Right. So here it is, man. You know, we're here, man. It's all getting ready. It's getting spicy. All right? Yeah, here it is. Largest child massacre. All right. I think this is it. When they were praying. All these kids got put to death. Iran has robust condemned the IJJ regime's mass killing of Palestinian children in the Gaza Strip, describing it as part of a systematic policy ethnic cleansing aimed at wiping out the Palestinian identity. Yep. Yeah, these kids were praying. And then they got hit with a nuke. That's how you know Allah ain't on their side. All right? They're praying to idols. All right? But anyway, this is all leading to war. So yeah, this is why they have the UN Human Rights Council moving to prosecute the JJs and the American military troops. See? It's all being set up through the spare power Yahweh Bashim Yahshai so that this place can be judged. All right? In fire. Because that's what's going to happen. It's all going to lead nuclear. All right? So, that's it. You know, with that, I want to give all praise and all glory to Yahweh Bashim Yahushai Bashim Kodash. Double honors to the apostles and elders of Great Millstone who rule well and taught us this truth. They are the true teachers for the nation of Israel on earth today. And citation to the Akim out there pushing this truth and sincerity throughout the four corners of the earth and risking their life for Yahweh Bashim Yahushai's sake. Love you, brothers. Keep adoring, keep the faith, keep pushing, keep fighting, keep studying. Pray without ceasing. Pray for each other. Pray for the apostle elders. As you can see, we're almost out of here. Hey, man, it's getting spicy. The Lord is setting things up, all right, according to his will. We just got to be with it and praise it, you know. All right, this proves we're almost out of here. To the few sisters that are watching, keep studying. We pray to cover Shalom.